What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing another 2013 7 series. I think this is number 3 on the channel. What's a little different about this video though is I got the different microphone now, using an external mic. It's a lapel mic, or they call it a lavalier, whatever they call it. It's from Rode, but let me know if you guys can notice the difference in the audio on this video, if it's a little better or not. I know it's going to be better for my voice, but I don't know about the creaks. So again, this is kind of a new thing. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, on to the test. This is a 740 Li. The L means long wheelbase. And oh boy, this is long. Zero problems with space in the back seat. All right, so far pretty okay, except for the rear center console here and the climate controls. That appears to be a little bit on the squeaky side, but let's see how the front seat does. Also, it's noisy Porsche jacket season. A little bit cold outside. All right, let's do the button test. And now for the final button. Alright guys, how did it do? It's done pretty close actually to what other this generation 7 series have done. If I'm not mistaken, I gave those cars 6 out of 10 for fit and finish. I think this car is consistent with those. As far as overall fit and finish, it's pretty average if I'm honest. It's not super solidly built, but it's not a complete disaster either, except for the rear center console that was exceptionally squeaky, and then there were a few more minor squeaks up in the front. So I feel that a 6 out of 10 is fair for the fit and finish. Not enough to completely make me rage on the inside. As far as materials go, this might be a little bit different than some of the other 7 series I've done in the past. This one is a little bit lower option car from what I understand, so we don't have leather dash. This is just standard soft touch. We don't even have leather seats actually. It's what BMW uses for their MB Techs or whatever. It's their little fake leather, and then you can of course upgrade to real Nappa leather. This car just doesn't have that, so it is what it is. It's not the car's fault. It just comes down to the options. But at least everything for the most part is soft touch up here and whatnot. The wood is always really nice in BMWs. This kind of material down here though, this is soft. But then if we move over here, this is the same texture, but it's hard. Like it doesn't have any kind of give to it. So a little bit cheap down here. Again, I think you can fix that if you get a more highly optioned car. The buttons are typical BMW, but I guess they feel all right. And then they use some of the aluminum look kind of materials here. Fake leather seats I'm not a fan of, but again, I know on these cars you can upgrade. Nice wood. And then we got cloth sun visors, which I don't see too much on the German cars lately. This one's got it, so good on BMW actually for that. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10 for materials. If it had leather seats, I would bump that up to a 7 out of 10. So there you have it, 6 out of 10 for both fit and finish and materials. Again, doesn't have to do with the car itself or the reliability or the driving experience or anything. In case you guys are curious, this car does drive extremely nice. It feels literally like you're driving a cloud. It's got the rear air suspension. It's just so smooth. I mean, the car doesn't encourage you to go fast or to drive sporty or anything. It's just so damn smooth. If I'm not mistaken, the Rolls-Royce Ghost uses this car's chassis, so if you kind of almost sort of want to feel like what a Rolls-Royce Ghost is like to drive, then this car is a good place to start. Anyway, 6 out of 10 for fit, finish, and materials. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think about the new audio setup, if it's better than just recording straight from the phone or not. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.